Now, children, let's start with chapter number 4. Where do babies come from? So, mother and babies. All babies, whether of human or of animal, come from mother's body. The process by which living being produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. So in humans and animals, females give birth to young ones. Animals that give birth to babies are called mammals. And mammals feed their young ones with their milk. And some animals like birds and reptiles, what they do, they lay eggs and they hatch their egg after some time. The human baby stays in the mother womb for 9 months. The baby is fed through a tube that joins baby to its mother. As the baby grows, it starts moving inside the womb. When it is big enough and is ready to take birth, it comes out of the mother body. So a newborn baby resembles the member of the family, and for many months after the birth, baby cannot eat or drink, and while he's grown up, he totally depends on mother milk. There is a natural relationship between baby and the mom, right? The mother keeps the baby close to her. She takes care of him. Now, adoption. Adoption, it is the process by which couples become illegal parents of the child who was not born to them. They bring up the adopted child as their own and treat the child as the member of the family, right? They love them. They fulfill all the physical and emotional needs of the child. Such parents are called foster parents. What we call them? Foster parents. Now, adopting a child. There can be many reasons of which we adopt a child. Some couples cannot have their home child. So they adopt a child. Some couples adopt the child to give home to homeless children. Right? So when a couple adopt a child, the adopted child gets all the legal rights of a member of his or her family. Right? This is all in this chapter. Now let's do the exercise. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. Why do people adopt children? What? So that the one who don't have the children, or the one who has no home, they give home to such children. Now, what do are foster parents who adopt the child are called the foster parents. So, what is adoption? What are mammals? You have to tell what is reproduction, the process by which we give birth to young ones. Where do babies come from? From their mother womb. Now, fill in the myth. When a couple adopts a child, the adopted child gets all the legal. Now, the mother possesses natural ability to nurse their. A dash resembles its family member. A child. A human baby stays in his mother womb for dash month. How many months? 9 months. Dash feeds their young one with their milk. Now, the following young ones grown up and become. You have to write the young one and what they become. Now, C part. The following young ones grown up and become. Now, first is fawn. When fawn grown up, it becomes deer. Next is nymph. It grows up and become crocodile. Next is foal, that is first. Then we have pup, that is rat. Fifth is joy, that is kangaroo. Next is pupa. Sixth is pupa, that is caterpillar. Next 7 is calf. Cow. 8th is kit. Doe. 9th is hatchling, that is crocodile. Next is lamb, sheep. Next 11th is chick, that is your hen. Then we have cub, lion. 13 is tadpole, frog. Next is 14th kid, goat. Right? This is all in this chapter. We have done with exercise. Hope you understood each and everything. Now, let's meet in the next class. Thank you.